Hi guys, good afternoon. It's MJ Lax here, recording on the weekend. First of all, very important that tomorrow is a President's Day, so there will be no trading in America. So you should be aware of that. I'm actually researching quite heavily various stocks in terms of America. I quite like American Airlines. The short interest went from about 25% to about 15%. So it's a pretty drastic drop in short interest. And basically, for me, it's a post-COVID trade. The market capitalization is slightly over 10 billion, whereas the brand value is 8 billion. So I think this could be an interesting trade. We are already well positioned with about 3% of the portfolio, but we may be actually increasing that position. In terms of more risky positions, we quite like heat. There are several investors of mine who are very excited about it. We had fantastic news regarding phase 2 and plans for phase 3 of one of the lung cancer main products of heat. So that's fantastic. They're obviously also quite active in the COVID space. So that's something to be watched. And the price target for it is about 40. Some people say 50. And we are trading about 11. So obviously a huge upside potential. So very, very interesting. In terms of things to watch, Walmart has its earnings and a Walmart day. So that's going to be interesting, especially as they move more towards digital. So that's going to be an important thing to watch. We have Volkswagen CEO saying he's not concerned, not worried about Apple cars being, attacking the electric market. So that's very interesting. Porsche Taycan has made some new records on track. So that's also very, very, very interesting. Apart from that, we are watching Shell very closely. There's been a lot of information, some negative relation in relation to Nigeria. There are some price analysts mainly say it will be about 1.8k. We are trading at not even 1.3, so this is about 50% interest potential. So I think for a big company like this is very, very interesting. Apart from that, we are obviously very heavily invested in some of the biotech stocks, so Transenterix and Bionano. Bionano reached its 12-month high. It's been trading phenomenally on Friday, TRXC as well. ET, it's time to grow. It's been a bit slow, but I believe it's going to go up. It's a very, very interesting position. And also Hong Kong has more Chinese New Year celebration, but it's opening on Tuesday, I believe. So XI and China Towers, very, very interesting. We may be even actually increasing position, perhaps in both, perhaps in China Tower. We have built a considerable 25% cash position. We have TZA, we bought it again. It went down on Friday. It's always going down, but we need to be a little bit conscious about the stock price potentially bubble, and then TZA has a massive potential to grow. So we'll be very careful, but we'll probably build a position there. Our VIX went down, and we're actually 35% on this year to date. So we finished last year about 40%. Now we're already 35, I think above 12 in February. So this is a very rapid growth. We have crossed 1,300 copiers mark. So welcome everyone. Make sure to put in the comments below, say hello. We have crossed 3 million. So this is about like 10% of the initial goal of 30 million. So I'm happy at 3 million this month. It almost doubled in terms of asset under management, about double in a month. So I hope to double again. The results speak for themselves, and the risk score is 4 out of 10. So that's also phenomenal. As I said, there's quite a bit of cash. So shall we increase the bubble a little bit more? Obviously, this will increase the performance of the portfolio, but as we either start going down or show more signals to kind of slow down an eventual correction, we will build a perhaps even SQQ back, but TZA and VIX will be our main position. We may open some shorts on individual positions, such as Tesla, although we think it can grow after several good analyst ratings, but we'll be quite interested in shorting Tesla and things like Jumia and DDD and other things. We may be interested in shorting Marriott. I've been looking at post-COVID trades quite heavily, and as much as I'm positive about American Airlines, I'm not so positive on RCL, the the cruise industry. And also when I look at Marriott, they're quite overheated. So Hilton is reporting earnings this coming week. I'm actually staying at the presidential suite of the Hilton, the most efficient way for me to work. So I'm building on that, which we did also in November. So we'll probably be looking at some shorts, but overall, February should stay very, very positive. This week, as I said, there's a President's Day tomorrow, so US will not be trading. So we'll be focused a little bit more on UK. We have Kier there, we have Capita there. Kier has won several contracts. I'm actually quite positive on the price. We may even be picking up a bit more. It would be good to see price momentum. We just got a notification it's trading above 200 moving day average. It's trading very low, so it's not a surprise. But it could be quite interesting. So please feel free to send me more stocks. I'm actually having someone coming over later. We're doing quite a big macroeconomical trade. I'm quite so positive on American Airlines or ET. So the company is kind of post-COVID. Oil has been growing up. ET has not really managed to keep the pace. And especially now that American Airlines went from about 25% short interest to 15% short interest, we may actually double down on that one. I'm quite sure about that, and it just kind of, when I think what to buy, this position comes most frequently again because of the market cap and the brand value. I think heat may increase now, may increase a bit later. There's a little bit of shaking the tree, as we call it in the hedge fund industry. So remains to be seen. And other than that, we're quite bullish on China, and so we may be increasing our positions in Hong Kong. But feel free to drop in the comments below. We have ENPX, we have Boxlight, we have TBLT. So obviously these are a bit smaller companies. ENPX had fantastic news. So that went up on one day amazingly, then it retraced back, but again, still very, very positive. We are massively up on all of those positions, but we are looking for more. So if you have any ideas, feel free to put the comment below. If you're a new copier, say hello to everyone. I hope you are all well and safe, and I wish you a wonderful Sunday, happy Valentine's Day. And I wish you all that the weather is always good. I have 19 degrees here, so I'm actually caught a little bit of sun. So I'm gonna enjoy that a little bit more. And I see you all tomorrow morning for European trading session. Take care.